Temptation doesn't flash a sign 50 yards ahead. Temptation, it just pops up 911. All right, the person that's here is Ottinger.
This is Mr. Weeks. Mr. Ottinger's in custody.
All right, Kevin Earl Weeks. Good morning, Mr. Weeks.
Good morning. Kevin Carl Weeks.
Kevin Carl with a K. I'm sorry. Go ahead and have a seat next to your lawyer.
Here we go. Kevin Weeks faces a string of violations, including speeding, no insurance, and now a shocking theft allegation. With prior convictions looming, this courtroom showdown could tip into serious jail time. Who will get the upper hand today?
I'm at the point where I can drive without glasses and I can kind of read without glasses. But my days are numbered. And sometimes I have trouble reading the numbers on them. You have an unpaid, no proof of insurance. Didn't make it on my cheat sheet. Let's see what else we got.
May I say something real quick?
Yeah.
I've had insurance every time I've been pulled over.
Well, you got a ticket on May 3rd of 2024 for speeding and having no proof of insurance in the car. On speeding, it looks like they gave you a warning. No, wait a minute. You got defaulted.
What does that mean?
It means you didn't answer the ticket and they just showed it. It just entered. And regarding the no insurance, yeah, you blew that off too, and they just entered a default. And they sent you a fail to comply with judgment notice on January 6th. So you got a ticket on May 3rd of 2024, and then now, let me make sure I got the right guy. You 41?
Yeah. So how do I take care of it?
You can go out to the counter and see the ladies.
Okay.
And then you have this case. What was that one for? All right, in this case, you're charged with larceny in a building. Let's take a look. In the old days, Mr. Weeks, they used to suspend your license for not paying tickets, which I completely agree with. Yours is a fail to answer citation, meaning you got a ticket and you didn't ever address it, and they entered a default. They used to suspend your license for that, which I think they still should, but they changed the rules. There's another one called fail to comply with judgment, where you enter a plea and then don't pay the fine. They used to suspend you for that too, but they don't in this strange time we're in now, so there's no influence for people to pay their license. They might not renew it if you go in to renew it, but they don't suspend it. So let's take a look at this one. It's alleged here that on May 18th that you stole a cell phone that belonged to Mary Susland. You're charged as a fourth habitual offender, alleging that you have at least 3 prior convictions, which I believe this makes it a 15-year maximum. So let's take a look. It's alleged, darn it, that you were at Walmart and somebody set their phone down and you took it. iPhone 15. I saw you here this morning. You got here real early, like 7:15.
I did.
Well, I better be early than late. You were way early, but,
I had to drop my son off at work, so.
all right. Well, I try to get here early and sometimes there's hardly anybody in the parking lot. Anyway, tell me what happened. Did this lady leave her phone there?
Your Honor, just the plea offer is to plead to larceny under 200.
Okay.
It's going to be no contest due to potential civil liability. Per the report, the property was returned, but I'm not sure the complainant is going to pursue any kind of civil action, so.
That is extremely remote. So he's not willing to tell me he stole this phone?
Your Honor, it's for the purpose of the civil liability.
That's a correct statement of the plea deal.
What's that?
That's a correct statement of the plea deal.
Okay, well, if the prosecutor doesn't object, I guess I'll accept that.
Thank you, Your Honor.
I explained no contest to the last person. By pleading no contest, you don't admit what happened, but you also don't deny it and you allow or accept that a conviction would enter. Do you understand?
I agree.
And anybody threaten you to get you to plead to this?
No, sir.
Promise you anything?
No.
So there's high definition video everywhere, including at Walmart. And, there's a video of you. This lady's there with her granddaughter, who's 14. Anaya Copley. She went back and her phone was gone, so they watched the video. Male grabbed the phone and placed it in his back pocket. Pictures of the suspect walking into and out of the store and the vehicle you got into. And they located your vehicle. Kevin Weeks. Searched Weeks and located a phone number he had used to call.
The video evidence is crystal clear. Kevin took the iPhone and police traced it through cameras and a 911 call. This shows meticulous investigative work, but it also raises questions. Was his return truly voluntary or simply to avoid harsher consequences?
911. They checked on CAD. So that's how they got your number. So they called Weeks by phone, said he found it, meant to turn it in, but he got sidetracked. I asked him to bring the phone to the police department. He handed me the phone. Yeah, at least you brought it back. But as Judge Noacker used to say, temptation doesn't flash a sign 50 yards ahead. Temptation, it just pops up. And how you react to it is a reflection of your character. This doesn't show very good character. I don't think you intended to return the phone. I think once the cops were onto it, you made the wise decision and just brought it back. So when they arrested you, did you go to jail?
The prosecutor put out a warrant for me.
You got arrested on July 3rd and released on July
3rd.
Overnight. What do you do, sir? What's your occupation?
I'm actually disabled. I gotta have another back surgery. And I've gotta have carpal tunnel surgery on both hands.
What kind of work did you do?
Mechanic work.
Did you get the ink on the inside?
No, I didn't. I did it out here when I was like 18.
I'm not a big fan of face tattoos, but
I'm not either. I wish I wouldn't have got them, honestly.
well, it affects you for the whole rest of your life.
That it does.
I'm gonna call it 1 day jail credit, 1 day. I want you to pay your old damn fine too, $75 crime victims' rights fee, $50 state minimum fee, $150 attorney fee. Can you pay that in 30 days or need a payment plan?
I need a payment plan because I'm on disability, a month.
All right, I'll put your traffic ticket on the payment plan also.
I appreciate it.
This isn't very good, but it was good police work on the part of the cops all the way around. They watched the video, they used the flock camera to track your car, they used the 911 records to call you on the phone, and they got this lady's phone back. I've told the story before. When my son was a kid, we had a little Christmas tree farm. He had made some money from that. We gave him some of the money and then put some of it in a college fund. He had a little Ninja Turtle wallet. He had about $60 in it. And we were at Walmart in Sturgis. And we were coming in the entryway and there was some sort of a video game or something. And he stopped there for a minute and he put his turtle wallet down and went through a turnstile. And it isn't there anymore. And then I could see disaster coming, so I had to go back out and around. Somebody stole my son's turtle wallet with $60 in it. That's made me mad ever since. I'm sure these people felt the same way. He was about 11. Some a-hole took his money and his turtle wallet within like 40 seconds of the time he set it down. That's what you were doing. All right, you go out to the counter and set up a payment plan, the kind where you actually make a payment. You're also barred from Walmart for 1 year. Two morals of the story. There is a high definition camera all over the place at Walmart, and there are license plate cameras all over Three Rivers where they can track cars. So next time you see somebody's phone, hand it to the clerk.
In the end, Kevin Weeks faces fines, a payment plan, and a 1-year Walmart ban, balancing accountability with rehabilitation. This case underscores how temptation, evidence, and character intersect in real-world justice. What would you have done differently? If you found this case as shocking as we did, hit like, share your thoughts below, and subscribe for more jaw-dropping courtroom breakdowns.
Or just leave it alone. All right, you're good to go, sir.
Thank you.